Like many of you, I was once stuck in a day job where I was undervalued and unappreciated. Despite my success using social media to build my personal brand, my boss didn't see the value in it. He literally said to me, "You can't measure the return on investment." And that's when I realized that I was worth more. And I decided to take hold of my future. So the story goes like this. I started my side hustle running people's social media, small and medium-sized businesses alongside the day job. With the help of my business coach, I had built my business up and left the day job within 8 months. And I never looked back. Yes, it was terrifying, but with the excitement of diving into the unknown and the results that my clients were getting, it just drove me forward, and it was all worth it. In the first year, I grew the business to £126,000. It absolutely shocked me, but it not only allowed me to provide for my family, but it also gave us a comfortable lifestyle with little to no stress. Now, I faced challenges like convincing people social media was a thing. Like my boss, he said, "You can't measure the return on investment." But as we all know now, social media is a must-have rather than a nice-to-have, and it's a powerful tool for your business growth. But every challenge was an opportunity for growth. I remember helping a coaching client. He built his Twitter account from 2,000 followers to 10,000 followers in literally 30 days and then brought on 16 high-ticket clients. That success led him to working with A-list celebrities all over the world. Stories like these are not just about financial success. They're about transforming lives, improving relationships, creating a lifestyle that allows you to spend more time with your family, and I want to help you achieve the same. Now, I've been doing this for the best part of 10, 11 years now, and in my Heart Brand Academy, I guide individuals like you through the process of building a personal brand, creating content, creating an engaging community, developing your curriculum, and attracting new clients towards you. All these are held together with the secrecy, which I'm going to share with you at the end of this video, so make sure you stay till the end. If you're ready to transform your side hustle into your full-time job, dare I say job? No, into your lifestyle, and achieve financial freedom and create that lifestyle business around you and your family, then stay with me until the end of this video, because that secret C could just be the game changer that you've been looking for. So, are you ready? Are you ready? If the answer is yes, then let's dive into those key steps that are going to get you transforming your side hustle into your lifestyle business. And you can start taking action today. Step 1 is about understanding yourself from the inside out. The biggest mistake I see on social media right now is people are going external before they go internal. And they have to do so much more work. So instead of doing the website, creating the book, social media posts, let's look at what happens inside here. Now, a way I like to do this is through our daily diary process. It's like a digital journal, and you pick up your mobile phone, the right way round, and then you share 1 to 2 minutes, your thoughts, your feelings, what you want to be known for, what's your why, what's the purpose around why you want to build your business, your side hustle, leave the day job. Because if you get it into your digital journal, you get it out of your head and it will actually become something, and it's so much easier to understand. When I started out with this, and I've continued this for 10 years now, and what I've discovered on my personal journey is that when I do my daily diaries, I'm here to help you succeed. Now, step number 2 is creating engaging content. What is your pillar content? It's the second C in the Heart Brand system. That could be YouTubing, it could be podcast, it could be vlogs, it could be Facebook Lives, it could be blogging. But what is your pillar content? What are you comfortable with? And where do your audience hang out? What do they like to consume? And then once you've figured that out, you need to create a plan to consistently do it. So when I was helping Ollie and we turned his Twitter account from 2,000 followers to 10,000 followers, we got his confidence up on video through doing Facebook Lives. So what's your pillar content that you believe will really resonate with your audience? Step number 3 is fostering community. Connect with your audience, engage with them, respond to their comments, show them that you value their input. This way you'll build a loyal community, and it's a great way to nurture them. I used Facebook during COVID, went from a few hundred members to like 800-900 members, and it really revolutionized my business. But what I did was I continued to show up and serve them. And in all honesty, it was community that helped me navigate through those challenging times too. So where does your audience hang out, and where could you create a community? Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video and it's really giving you, a spark, then smash the like button, obviously subscribe, but more importantly, share it with someone else. Let's start that ripple effect, because you and I are not the only ones here who are wanting to turn a side hustle, a thought, a dream, a wish into a business. So share it with someone else. Now, if you're here, you want the fourth step, and that's develop a curriculum. Now, what do I mean by a curriculum? You'll have heard of these people saying, create 10K months with your course. And it's basically where we take your skills, your expertise, your experience, and turn them into digital assets. That could be a course, that could be a coaching program, that could be a mastermind, that could be a mentoring program. It could just be a simple downloadable playbook or PDF. Actually, that reminds me, if you want the playbook and PDF to this video, then there'll be a link below the video. So just go into there at the end of the video, of course, and download your playbook so you can have this entire video in there with action steps on how you can take your first steps to build your personal brand and turn that into a business. One of my clients, Natasha, did just that. She's an actor and she wanted to coach other actors to help them get their dream job. So she built her coaching program. Now she helps other actors build their confidence through her wellness program to gain their dream job. And you can do this too by creating a curriculum. This is what's turned my business from a social media marketing agency into a education business and really reduced our overheads and skyrocketed our profit. Step 5 is attracting clients. And you know what? It's no easier than when you've got a personal brand. Once you've built your personal brand, you'll have a loyal community, you'll have a loyal following, and because you've nurtured them through the community process and they've shared with them your digital assets, they'll want to buy your products from you. Now, I remember how Melissa did this. She got her messaging right, she got her proposition right, she went out to the world on her social media using short form video. Within 6 months, she'd opened a second photography studio over in New York. You can do this too. And now, as promised, it's time to reveal the secret C that holds all of this in place. It's communication. You see, effective communication is the key to building a successful personal brand and business. It's a skill I learned during my time in the police, hence the big hat. I spent 10 years as a police officer and 8 years as a police detective, and I really honed the skill of effective communication. It's a skill that can transform your life and your business. Remember, you are only as good as you can communicate. Now, my Bruce Lee bonus that I want to communicate to you is YouTube has picked the next best video for you to watch to take you on that journey to personal brand mastery. Click it around here somewhere.